it's Sam. So I recently got a few things from Amazon and I'm just going to be sharing with you guys the things that I got. I will have everything linked down below, so be sure to go ahead and check the description box. Also check the comment section, they'll be in both places. I also have an Amazon storefront, so you guys can always shop my favorites. I have it all like organized and categorized into different things. So if you guys are ever wondering like what do I like from Amazon, you guys can go ahead and shop over there and check it all out. But let's go ahead and get started so I can show you guys what I recently got. I got more of these little shoe boxes. I already had one order and then I was like, you know what, I feel like I need more. Like I need to just like, you know, do this whole area. So I ordered another thing. They were on sale for the Amazon Prime Big Deals Day or whatever. So I ordered one more pack and they're just so handy because they literally store so many shoes. Even Jay's shoes fit in there. He's a size 10.5 and they fit in there perfectly. So I feel like if you had size 13 feet, they probably wouldn't fit, but they're just great because you can fit like sneakers in there. I've even got boots in there and they just like stack on top of each other so that they're nice and sturdy. And then you just open them up and there's your boots. All the shoes. So I absolutely love these. Highly recommend them. They're such a good space saver if you guys have a lot of shoes but you don't have a lot of space. Okay, so around the holidays, I love making these little perfume rollers as gifts for people. So I ordered a pack of these and I think you get 10, maybe it's 8. It's either 8 or 10, I can't remember. Maybe it's 10. But they are like these little perfume rollers. They come with like all these cute little stones in them. And then I actually ordered more of this because I ran out of mine. It's the Pure Adore Organic Fractionated Coconut Oil. So basically this is your carrier oil and then you add whatever essential oils you like. So like for me personally, I love to do like for perfume, I like to do White Angelica, Orange, Valor, and Northern Lights Black Spruce. It's literally the best scent. I absolutely love it. It's kind of like a mood booster. It makes you feel happy and like, I don't know, there's just something about it. So I love making these around the holidays. They're just so delicious and then it's all like natural. So that's always nice too. I also got these ones this time and these are so cute. I bought these little labels for them as well that say like all different things. These ones are really cute. They're a little bit more chic and kind of like glam. But I got the pack, what do you get? A pack of 6. See, that one says Sleepy. You get a pack of 6. I think I paid like $26 for them. And they just, you know, they just have like a little roller. And I do the same thing, the carrier oil, whatever oils I want. So like that one has lavender, cedarwood, peace and calming, and what else is in there? I can't remember, but they're just like really nice gifts for people. Obviously, you would have to buy all your essential oils, which can definitely add up. That can get a little costly. All my pipettes are in here. Anyway, they come with like this little tool so that you can open up the rollers and stuff. But yeah, it does get a little costly to buy the oils, but I already have all the oils, so you know I can make them. But if you guys want to buy any of these from me, you're totally welcome to, like the pre-made perfumes. Just DM me on Instagram. I'm always down to sell the little things I make. Me and Lil have been making bracelets and been selling them. We've had so many orders, it's been ridiculous. We have like beads galore. If you guys do want to buy any of these, I have a sleepy one right now. I have a happy one. I have another happy one. And then I have lots more empty ones that I can make for you guys. So usually the sleepy and the happy ones are the like most popular because everybody wants good sleep and everybody wants to feel happy, and it's such a yummy scent. It's like orangey, floral. Oh, it's so good. Next thing I got from Amazon were these cute little stickers. So we've been making all these bracelets for people, and so I've been getting like all of these things to like include in the bags for free gifts. So it's just like these, just a pack of like all these cute little like autumn fall stickers. They're so fun. Like, oh my gosh, look at this one. Wait a minute, this is the cutest. So it's just cute because we put them in the little packaging with like a little free key ring. And then I also got these little cards. If you do have a small business and you want to just include like a little note, these just say, hey babe, thank you. And then on the back it says, thank you so much for your support. It means the world to me. I hope you love your item as much as I love creating it. And then you can write a personalized little note or their name or whatever on the back, which is nice because a lot of the cards don't give you that like extra blank space. So you've got your little baggie right here. So you just fill out the card to, you know, say whatever you wanted to say. You slide it in. Can I do it one-handed? Probably not. Okay, so you put that in with your little bracelet. How cute is this one? So adorable. I love that little yin yang. Then you grab a sticker. Oh, look at this cute little squirrel. You slide that in. Slide in your little sticker. And then we also have like little free key rings that we give away. And how cute is that? Oh, I love it. I might as well make another one while I here. I have 2 of these available if anybody wants to get them. One's all pink. And then that one's got a little bit of tan in it too. So let's get a cute little sticker. Ooh, a little mushroom. That's gonna be cute. Look at that one. They're all just different little stickers. And then you've just got a cute little packet. Also got this crinkly waterproof labels. It's like sheets of like sticker, you know what I mean? Like it's like sticker paper. I can make these little labels that go on like the long glass ones. So it says like tantrum. My printer's going to poo though, look at it. They didn't come out good. Immunity roller, a sleepy roller, and then they're just like little stickers that you can cut out, a happy roller, a tummy roller, and then you just wrap it around your little thingy-mabobber, and then it's like such a cute little gift for people. I also got this super fun little, it's like a mushroom hat for Lily. She's gonna be a mushroom for Halloween. So you just like tie it on, and then it's just like a big huge mushroom hat. A white sweatshirt to go with it. It's actually really cute. It's actually a really nice like material. It feels really good. Little fingerless gloves to go with her little costume. And then we also got some leg warmers. They haven't come yet, but they're red as well. I also ordered more of these lights because I literally lose them. I don't know, I just like take them places and then I forget which purse I put them in. I just love these lights so much. It's what I have on right now. It's what I'm always filming with, whether it's on my phone or my camera. I'm telling you, these lights are amazing and they were on sale, so I always order more whenever they're on sale. I also ordered these like little bathroom organizers. They're meant to go in like super small spaces, so like laundry rooms, the side of the toilet for storing like toilet paper, wipes, whatever it is. But honestly, you guys, they work so great for makeup. So they store a ton. So like in here, they're a little pricey, but honestly, they are worth the money because they take up such a small like footprint, but they store so much. So in here, I have all my self-tanners. And then in here, I have all like my body lotions and oils and that kind of stuff. Then in this one, I have like highlighters in there. Oops. And then in here, I have like makeup palettes, like eyeshadow palettes. In this one, I have like all my blushes, like most used blushes. In here, I have like foundations, powders, bronzers, all that good stuff. In this one, I have all my concealers. Oh, it's where is this focusing? In here, I have all my concealers and primers. In here, I have like eyebrow pencils and like brow gels and that kind of stuff, mascara. In here, I have tons of lip products. In this one, I have tons of lip products. And then on top, I keep my brushes and like my lip balms. And then these are from Amazon as well. They're honestly so good because I can have all my batteries and all my pluggy plug thingy-mabobbers. I'll link it as well, but these are amazing. Like I said, a little bit expensive. They're like $160 something, but honestly, if you have a small space and you need to store a lot, but you don't have a whole lot of space to store it, they really are good. Imagine in between your washer and dryer, side of the toilet, like you can literally store so much. Like they're so perfect because you could have like your wipes in here, all your tampons in here, pads or whatever in here, toilet paper, and then cleaners, and like it would fit all your stuff. Hey guys, so there is my Amazon haul. I hope you guys enjoy and found that helpful. Again, everything will be linked down below. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next one.